First and foremost, guys, new evidence is coming out in regard this issue that VDM is having with AIG Jimoh Moshood. And at this point, the IG of police is fully involved in this matter, right? And a few days ago, the IG of police, the person of Olatunji Dixon, filed an appeal to the appeal court in regards the apology that they were supposed to tender to the family of Ahmed Tajudin. I will want you guys to listen to this video up here, and then after that, I will give you guys the full report concerning the appeal that was filed by the IG of police. And if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for quick updates. Let's get right into the video.
Vincent forgot to update you guys, and I also forgot as well. He has been very busy. VeryDarkMan has been really busy. You know, say in the busy with, he's caught up with Mohbad case and Peter P Square case. He has been so busy and gathering buckets. No be small work. But I go update now. So quick update here. The IG of police. Now remember that court order. Yeah, that court order where court give recently, where court directs the IG of police, the Lagos State, the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, the PSC, Police Service Commission, say may they apologize to Ahmed Tajudin for declaring him wanted for murder. You know that case now. VeryDarkMan, don't forget to give an updates. After the court order, where the court say may they apologize, the IG of police, where the order was directed to, the first person where then direct the order to, the man don't go appeal. Hi! I VeryDarkMan forget to give una this kind of updates. The man don't appeal. The man don't appeal. We appealed like I think 2 days ago or so. You understand? So this thing can remind me of it can remind me of VeryDarkMan. Though it's not a similar case, but the case now reminded me of VeryDarkMan and Mr. Jollof. Now remember that time where VeryDarkMan and Mr. Jollof, they were going back and forth. It's like back and forth, is insulting each other. VeryDarkMan can insult Jollof wife, can say Jollof wife, then the Panji and for one hotel or so. I think Jollof wife got angry and like, why bring me into this mess? She can't sue VDM. And so for courts, VeryDarkMan and Jollof wife and Jollof, they go back and forth. At the end of the day, like the court can't give judgment, say me VeryDarkMan pay 10 million naira for something, for damages or so, then 20 million naira for something, 30 million naira altogether. Yeah, retract his statement, apologize and stuff. So D1, Mario, Jollof friends, Jollof, they were so happy that period. They were celebrating. Now remember. I go remember now. They were so happy. They jubilate. Now I can come out to me. I come out the video there. I made a video. I say this one where boys does celebrate. Video see my page. I say, see this case as this case they go like this. VeryDarkMan. What if he decide to appeal? He never finish. Because what are you celebrating when the case still dey on? Because when people now we see them Jollof now, we don't really get idea about how the law works. We see them Jollof and D1 and Mario as they celebrate. They go say, oh, they don't win VeryDarkMan. So I came out and I was like, what are you celebrating? This case still dey on. What if VeryDarkMan decide to appeal? Do you think VeryDarkMan has stubborn like that? She say, you go like, do you understand? One, apologize and do, oh, if you know do one. Do you understand? You could rather appeal. And I don't know, like say VeryDarkMan appeal. I don't know if he be say you don't appeal, if he be say you don't appeal, I don't know. But now what happened that time be that. So the thing can remind me, say, VeryDarkMan, we go to celebrate for front of police station, say AIG Moshood is falling down, and say they don't ask them to apologize, forgetting that they can appeal. Because after VeryDarkMan, that thing happened when they do want to celebrate. VeryDarkMan no talk pim, like say they talky. That time, yes. So when he came back, like after like a month or so, he came back and he made a video and he was like, make them do one, make them give you now updates now. Why they not celebrate again? Blah blah blah. This one, that one. So now what's happened? But the VeryDarkMan now did the same thing because then give order, say make them IG of police commissioner, PSC, make them go apologize. VeryDarkMan can't go to celebrate. You know, and I was like, why are you celebrating? You don't get you wrong. Ahmed still they custody. Ahmed still dey custody. Do you understand? So now waiting the thing remind me. If I can't the one that say this VeryDarkMan self, waiting you shade the D1 for. Now waiting yourself can't go do. Why? Why you do like that? Eh? You know, say for my regime, fairness and equity by force must take place as the Attorney General. Online Attorney General. Fairness and equity must take place. You know, if you shade people, say they do something, then you can't go the do. Why you not tell your people say IG of police don't, you don't happy. You forget. You forget. Oh yeah, now when you don't live free, me tell them, me give them updates. But tell us these updates. When I tell me thank you now. Rattles, say ma.
First and foremost, guys, I hate it when someone tries to gaslight the public, right? Because if you pay rapt attention to that video, you are going to understand that this girl only gave the center of the message. She never gave a single reason why the IG of police fight for that appeal, right? And I'm going to be telling you guys the primary reason why the IG of police decided to fight for that appeal, right? Now, according to the IG of police, he stated that before Ahmed Tajudin was apprehended or before Ahmed Tajudin was placed on a wanted list, the Commissioner of Police, CP Jimoh, who is now the AIG of Police in Zotu in Lagos, went to magistrate court to obtain a report concerning this whole case. And as at that time, this Ahmed was in Benin Republic, chilling off in that place, right? This guy was not in Nigeria, right? Now, the magistrate court gave this guy 14 days ultimatum to come back to Nigeria because investigation was going on and this guy was the primary suspect in this case. So when that 14 days elapsed, this guy did not come to Nigeria, right? So because of that, the Commissioner of Police, who is now the AIG, decided to obtain a report from the magistrate court, just like I said earlier. And this time, this guy was placed on a wanted list. And mind you, this order was given by the magistrate court, not CP Jimoh, right? As others may make you to believe, right? So the moment the magistrate court placed this guy on the wanted list, CP Jimoh, in conjunction, with some of other officers, they reached out to Interpol in Benin Republic. That was how this guy was extradited from that place to Nigeria to come and face judgment, right? So the IG of police said that they followed due process in apprehending, this guy and placing him on a wanted list. And therefore, there is no need for them to tender an apology to this guy and also to the family because the Nigeria police force did not at any point violate the rights of this guy. That was the primary reason why that appeal was filed by the IG of police. So for some of you out there that is doing any and everything trying to discredit VDM, I want you guys to understand one thing. VDM is someone that is not perfect. We all know that, right? But it is very, very wrong for someone to be putting his efforts to make sure that this person in question, this Ahmed in question, gets justice. And still, a lot of people out there, just because of the hate that you have for VDM, you are doing any and everything to cover up this case. And I hope that if someone should do the same thing to you tomorrow, I hope that you are going to like it. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I'll see you guys in my next video.